Doc says as some year trust into case closed.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Political Rounds with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
I can't mama can I can
expose them or something.
but you know your friend is saying two different things in the year can see here.
No, the exposing here the second
what can say idea me aware.
Okay, so because Paul Adomochi at the show also, so that's why I'm surprised.
Paul Adomochi, and also me. I've said everything about everybody, and I don't see. I mean, I didn't Paul Adomochi on Canada and Uncle for. I worried. Ghana will be on Canada. It's Paul Kwame in Paul Ghana. How no more on Canada. Kwame A Plus with me come my dream. I come the Buddha of Canada. Uma pause on Canada dream beer. We also be a movie a Canada some be rebel. And me am like ebi okan. Na say ebi a be affect you be ma be chire mu say ebi this is not what it is because me so make my dream be. But me didn't Paul on Canada na issue. Me can be asem. Ono so Canada. In fact what he has said no me hear.
Okay.
And so I cannot. It's just maybe I'll watch me.
Okay, so he was also using the same report by Ghana Today, and a year, sir, I didn't bet you. And I'm seeing that others are saying, sir, Omukwa who also Facebook page.
But Omukwa can you? Me, I didn't pay Ghana. And said people hate to read. People don't, and I love it like that. If you ask, so Obia is smarter. I didn't make sure we are some mensanka. Intermediate idea I'm pekra ni so bia we as be smart na one be edwuma hwan you know I'm not saying so omonko ye omonkan kan ade me kra me de so omonkan but you Akufo-Addo say everyone who knows me knows I don't drink means all kinds of statement now. Everyone who knows me knows I don't drink, and everyone who knows me knows that I have never taken alcohol before. You know me. Because I've never taken alcohol and I don't drink. They are two different things. It is all say, hey, Akufo-Addo believes and they be not or no konyaka. Or Anka say he has never taken, or say he does not drink. What I say? Me no men san and me no men sanda.
Two different issues.
Two different issues. And you know, say Obi kase ohun me social media. What I said is there. I explain the matter, but na me to make crack can fast as some way nyina ho say asama make can for obi hu based on adebia esi but personal and since 2008 me 8 years I become in film and you know obi person dem me entertainment you know it doesn't work like that anymore. 2008 by this time pepe na me ne abunia asensu ginam gidi ne ekọ CID ne ekọ ha 8 years on it's not the same.
Okay.
And you know me come asem and asem na me can ye nyina we belong to the same caucus.
Okay.
And you know we will find a way to solve it internally. And then send me can kire one once me kan kuma de bia me ba hwe so me can say me there are very few people to me makasa, especially say Dr. Sledge from no time so penny be pa from say asem we na ase entrase ni na o see your church yeah you know Yankopon so wo hwe oba na okondo na why bone wo ko hell but David hwe oba ekunu ewe ne yere ne kan when no we Yankopon so the best friend enti yenya we biases o dey ase enti me ya dey na Dr. Sledge from no kasa say o see your trust o say Dr. Sledge no oye nyame keto abaako ono ka sam wo krum ha at least of the year crash let wait me friend no akase o mo fama we no case close so fa na mama opa bi sanod ni bu
yep
dog ka say ye fama that's it case close you can be abiem
you have the number.
Yes. He has that power.
Yes.
Abisa Stone said Sledge catch say at the enemy fama na no akase nkase o dog matia. And you know, the dog says as some year trust into case close.
Yeah,
oh my desperate.
All right,
UTV, you see, there is one good thing about there is one thing we made the brief. There's one thing that we are going to change. Ma, abese Ghana for if you Kwame Nkrumah time be seen there. We kasa number kasa. Yeah, you are going. Some mistake. Me too wala for go more kasa like kasa. And the way kasa na way di on kasa, way kasa. We are not going to talk. Me makasa my bro Ghana me started kasa here. Me did 21 years, and then me did 48. Monko fuhwe ni pafo from kasa. I'm going to build. I'm going to develop. I'm going to. As you say, it's time for action. Enough of the talking. There are 275 MPs in Parliament. Obia is looking for an opportunity to talk. And answer na obekasa no one day no after who leadership. Na ya choose obekasa on this topic. Opeso your statement after and say bia who's original they're standing on this no say who's original at your seat you have to catch the eye of the speaker apart the whole 8 years you never catch his eye over there. Wait you drop by force and person mekasa. O mic na oje nim na kasa no speaker you bet to be doom no baby o what I say and we so mama masha na you see abonten now had here olaya make race na kwamia no mu yeah but even me no me who say Ghana kasa no also me call parliament in the few months that I've been in parliament I've had opportunity to comment on issues more than in parliament for about 12 and so years. And you know, and I'm not interested in that talk. I want to build youth, you know, mumra. Come, let's go and build a new Ghana. Say now on my way, we can do it. Let's go and do it. And then the next generation, you know, ember to us. You see, better now continue kasana. You start to come from your friends a crop do say now or this can be called a gold bed now Omabo the way called to ya come from 19th basin there you have a continue kasa
okay
Ola let's go and build.
All right, Gloria,
we all trying to make sure say we come together as human beings, reason like human beings and live peacefully, but a true baby ebimu ye nimpan so and say you're careful. Ubi Baker say Johnny Bawumiana say Johnny MPP and it's going on. And Crawford won't be brave ego. It doesn't make sense to me, say Ubi and we're taking a decision say, oh, I love MPP ideas. MPP as a political party, and then I'm a person may join it. Na yatuaba na ya losing, then I have to attack you, even though the person is not part of all these MPP executives. Or no, attacking on the second chief. Forward, just say, make you want me to say, ain't your best friend? Said ye, in so ye, no, me who says, we are there, and me cry the member say MPP for ye, because I be I say, me buy we because, I say ye kekayen sembibri na ma omani adom ho so kwankro mo fa so we need these elections no afere na mfufu bia ene omuti ya nda bia no ye besre. If you love MPP as a political party na uti America ha uti ase uku school uye o IT cyber security and all that we free say bit me aboa ye ya madam ba ko ni bu officer and